Beggars, down by me and us on this channel.
Yo, 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 freak. Hey, yo, freak, you watching? Come on now. Hit the subscribe.
Ayo freaks! So today we are in the glorious kitchen doing our second videoation, cookation, playation in the kitchen. And today we are going to be doing a very, very nice, beautiful, amazing sandwich that's gonna be so crunchy. Very, very simple. I got my ingredients. I'm gonna show my ingredients and we're gonna just jump right into it, okay? You ready? Because I know I am. So for our ingredients we have burgers. We have 3 burgers. So our sandwich is going to be a burger sandwich, a cheeseburger sandwich. And then we have our 3 eggs. We have our bologna. We have our cheese. And then we have our lettuce. Then we have our cucumber. Then we have our bread. Our bread is already buttered. Then we're gonna toast the bread. And then we have our tangy mayonnaise. And then we also have tomato sauce for the saucing on top to give it flavor. Like it's really looking at me. Guys, my landlord is watching me. I don't understand why. No, landlord. So the first thing that we are gonna do is we're gonna put this on the stove and then we're gonna toast our bread in here, okay? The first step is you take in your bread, you put it in your pan, you put your pan on medium heat, and then you leave the bread on the pan until the bread at the bottom is golden and crispy. And as you can see, we already have butter, so you don't need to put any oil because butter and oil do the same thing in a pan. Okay, so now I am cooking my eggs. I'm gonna cook them until they are a little bit brown so that they are nice and well done. Okay, so this is everything done. It's the egg, it's the burger, and it's the bread. Toasted and cooked. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really disappointed with the burgers because now they're looking real small. But before I cooked them, they were looking real big, so it means that they shrank. Nonetheless, we're gonna put everything together, eat it up, and let's go. So what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna put everything together and see how everything looks, okay? So I already got my 3 slices put out and put down. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my lettuce, put it on top, just put in a good considerable amounts. The bread in the middle is the chosen bread, so it's gonna get the most of everything. And since I'm cooking for myself and my stomach, so it really doesn't matter. So yeah, just put in a considerable amount of lettuce, like a good considerable amount. Then after you do that, you take your cucumbers, you put them on top. So like I said, the middle bread is the chosen bread, so I'm gonna put all the cucumbers in that bread. And then now you see like this, you take, okay, let me take this lettuce, put extra lettuce on the other breads as well. You take your tomato, your tangy mayonnaise, and you just rub it on top to add some flavor on top of the lettuce, you know, just nice and gently on top of the lettuce, on top of the cucumbers. Like I said, the middle bread gets the most of everything. You know the greens is very healthy for you, so every sandwich, every good sandwich should have the greens. And then now, to make your bread thicker, we're gonna add an extra layer of bread. So now I have 3 slices of bread, untoasted and buttered. Untoasted and unbuttered. I just put them on top, like so. And then now I take my burgers and then I lay them on top, and then pick up 1, pick a 2, and pick up 3. So now I'm gonna put in tomato sauce on top of the burgers to give it more flavor. So even with the tomato sauce, I just put in good considerable amount. 1. Middle bread gets the most because it's the chosen bread. But then I'm gonna, oh, okay. And then I'm just gonna wrap the tomato sauce nicely everywhere. You know, everywhere. And even for the other bread, rub it everywhere. And even for the chosen bread, rub it everywhere. Just make sure that it is all over the show, and it is like dripping on the side. Okay, so on this bread, I need a little bit more, so I'm gonna get some more. Get some more tomato sauce for this bread. And just run the tomato sauce across the bread. You open your lettuce, your cheese, you take your cheeses and then you open them up. Oh, it's raining, so if you hear some nasty sounds, just know it's the rain. Videos, heavy the next week. Oh, the chosen bread gets an extra piece of bologna. Then you take your eggs and then you lay them on top. Egg 1, egg 2, egg 3. Tastes good. And then you spread in some more tomato sauce everywhere on each bread, you know, on top for that extra flavor. And then you take the top breads and then you put it on every single slice. Now you get your knife and you cut each and every single slice of bread. Like so. Nice and gently, because now you don't want to squeeze the life out of the bread. You don't want to, you know, you want the sandwich to be lively, full of life. Okay, so now they are all nice and done and cooked, and this is how they look. Burgers done by me and us on this channel. And now you can do yours, have yours, it's yours, enjoy yours at home. Now we're gonna taste it, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. Okay.
Now you know it's popping in here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.